Hey, Anissa here with Firehouse Education and this week's Ask Anissa video column. And if you notice, my scenery has changed a little bit, or my background, but I'm back here in my home office. So this week, our question came in via email. It came in from Marie. And Marie says, "Good afternoon, Anissa. First, congratulations that you worked your plan to be able to take 203 days off to be traveling around the world. I'm so impressed. I'm not expecting you to remember me, but we met at Chuck Violin's Women's Conference in Ohio. My question is this. When working on a fire claim, and this is the first time working with this insurance company, which is located out of state, the adjuster is asking to see our technician's hours on content cleaning. We have a spreadsheet that we'll be sending him of the hours to date on the content cleaning. In 42 years, this is only the third time we've been asked to show hours on a fire claim. I don't know if this is typical and needing to show the insurance adjuster these hours. We are in our third month on this project, very, very large fire, and now he's requesting hours. I'm grateful and thankful for any feedback that you can give me regarding this request." Okay, well, Marie, there'd be a few things that come right up for me that I would definitely say. First off, I've only been asked one time in 19 years for hours on a content cleaning job. And it was actually a large loss adjuster that I did the job with, and it turned out that his supervisor wanted him to pick a claim to audit, and he picked me. He said, because he also knew that I was very organized, and then he knew I'd quickly have it available for him. So I did send in those hours. But it is not necessarily a typical thing that I see for adjusters wanting the content hours. So it's fine to send them in to him, by the way. That's not a problem. But here's what would come up for me. I would want to know why he or she wants these hours. Is there maybe just an internal audit of random files going on within their insurance company? Is this a standard for this particular insurance company if you've never worked for them before? Or is there maybe some flags coming up for the adjuster and they're really wanting to just look at these hours because they have some unanswered questions about the claim? It could be that maybe the bill is higher than what they expected. Maybe they didn't expect it to take 3 months to get the job done, this sort of thing. So I would really want to know. I would turn the spreadsheets over with my hours, but I would really ask the question, you know, is there anything that I can help you with? Is there, you know, a reason you're requesting the hours? I just wondered if maybe we needed to, you know, have some more communication, like something like that. I would be figuring that out because they don't just normally ask for it like it's a typical thing on a content job, okay? So that was what would come up for me, is wanting to find that out, because what can often happen is maybe with some better communication, whether it be on the phone, via email, or in your note features on your billing that you're sending to them, to explain things maybe in a little more detail might help answer some questions and would maybe stop something like the hours being asked for to come up. And you know what, Marie? I am not saying you aren't amazing and fabulous and maybe doing all of those things perfectly with this adjuster and on this claim. However, maybe they're just asking, okay? But I would want to know why. I would want to see, is there anything I can do to prevent this from happening in the future with any adjuster, but especially with this new adjuster? And maybe it just boils down to they're new to you, so they're just kind of checking you out. It actually is wonderful that you have a spreadsheet with this all lined out and detailed, and for you to quickly get that to the adjuster without any hesitation is going to show them that you're very transparent, and that is a really good thing. Okay, well, thank you so much for the question, Marie, and thank you so much for watching the videos. I do these for all of you, like I said, so it really encourages me when I know that you are finding value in them. So don't forget, send me your questions, Anissa at firehouseeducation.com, and I just might feature you on next week's Ask Anissa video column. Till then.